Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making space and ensuring a stable connection. Do this now rather than later. On PC, quit mods and launch the Rockstar Games launcher. On consoles, highlight GTA Online and press the Options button to check for updates. Once the launcher detects an update, approve it and let files start downloading. Make sure to keep the device awake and avoid running heavy uploads. If prompted, allow the launcher to update itself first, because the game patch needs the newest client to apply correctly. You now track the download and installation closely so it completes cleanly. On PC, open the launcher's Download tab to verify the patch size and speed. On consoles, monitor system notifications until installation finishes. Once downloading ends, the launcher will unpack and apply files. Do not close it. If you use Steam, run Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Rockstar Launcher, use the built-in repair. This step resolves partial installs and prevents crashes, especially after large seasonal updates that change many assets. You finish by restarting your console or PC, then launching GTA Online and checking the version or patch notes to confirm success. If you encounter errors, first clear the game cache and relaunch the launcher. Often this resolves corrupted temporary files. If problems persist, remove mods, run a file verification, or reinstall the launcher, then reinstall the game as a last resort. For persistent connectivity issues, check Rockstar server status and your NAT type. Open NAT.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.